I am in my room today, so let me do like this. Let me do like, look at this one. Okay, let me fix it. It's ugly now. Okay, look at this. It's pink. So Ishman, guys, look at this. Did I miss it? So look, is it beautiful? No, this part is just making me feel unconfident. Look at now what I am doing to the bed. I'm like boo 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 boo. I almost feel like, look. How is it? Okay, let me do like, look now. So then do like, then ha. Then let me do like, and again this is two parts. So let me do like, now look at this. Look. Fix this parts. Okay. It's nice now. Look at my mother when she was young. She was really young. Look at my grandmother, just joking. Okay, let me make it again. Look at what I am doing to my sister to book. Then I'm showing other things away. Look. Then let me do like, here I'm using magic. Here, look at this. It's just this things. I need to put this back. Okay, this should, you see that this should be here. Okay, let me do like this again. I should play skipping with my friends, but look at what I'm doing. Okay, now it's done. No, not completely done. Look at this. Okay, oh, there's it. Okay, let me draw this away from me. Okay, this is my books. So, okay, what should I put then? I'm going, guys. Should I go with my phone or something else? Comment if I should go with my phone, and then like if I shouldn't. Bye. See you at part 2. But what should I do? Okay, maybe should play Roblox. Okay, see magic. And let me do something. Taking off my tunes and here. Oh, where is it?